Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel YouTube. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies from coinquora.com. Taiwan aims to ban credit card for cryptocurrency purchase. A local media company in Taiwan has reported that its Financial Supervisor Commission is looking to ban credit card for crypto purchase. Additionally, the EFSG note to credit card firms that if their current practice do not meet a state requirement, they must make adjustment within 3 months. After that, the audit unit must review its internal compliance and report results to the meeting. The EFSG of Taiwan has sent a letter for the Taiwan Local Banking Association reminding them that virtual assets are highly speculative and risky, and the cash flow is complex and challenging to monitor transactions effectively. The report cited credit card processors must pay attention and should not use virtual assets. However, according to the report, credit cards are merely consumer payment tool, not investment and wealth management tool with high speculative financial leverage transactions. Taiwan FSG earlier ruled that credit cards are illegal payment tool for online gambling, stocks, futures, options, and other similar transactions. The latest update from the FSG appears stricter, giving operator 3 months to complete any adjustment where necessary. As per the current business undertaking, credit card acquirers must pay attention to the cryptocurrency platform and not facilitate any transaction in their favor. In other news, coinquora reported on June that the Shanghai Beneficial People Government of China had included blockchain, NFT, and the metaverse in a 5-year plan to develop its digital economy. California signed to accept the cryptocurrency campaign donation. On Thursday, the Federal Political Protest Commission voted to approve new rules allowing digital currency donation, such as Bitcoin, for Californian candidates. Candidates soon will be able to access current cryptocurrency campaign donation. As per sources, the new rules mention that candidates can accept cryptocurrency donation if they immediately convert the digital currency into local currency, US dollar. The FPPC stated that this process requires a user to utilize a registered crypto processor to handle the transaction that will collect the name, address, occupation, and employer, the each contribution. Moreover, according to Commission staff report, the newly imposed rules will be set within 60 days. Additional 12 more states, including Washington, D.C., allow crypto contribution by any means. Earlier, California had been one of the main U.S. states that prohibits cryptocurrency contribution. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.